Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Mercedes-Benz engine code P0131. If your check engine light is on and your Mercedes feels low on power or fuel efficiency. In this video, I'll explain what P0131 means, common causes, symptoms, step-by-step fixes. So let's get started. P0131 means oxygen sensor circuit low voltage bank 1. Sensor 1. In simple words, the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 is sending a lower than normal voltage signal to the ECU. When P0131 appears, you may notice check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough idle or engine hesitation, weak acceleration, engine running to lean, sometimes hard starting. If ignored, this can damage the catalytic converter over time. Here are the most common causes. 1. Faulty oxygen sensor, most common. 2. Damaged or melted O2 sensor wiring. 3. Vacuum leak causing lean condition. 4. Exhaust leak before the sensor. 5. Loose or corroded sensor connector. 6. Fuel delivery issues. 7. ECU issue. Mercedes engines are very sensitive to voltage changes, so even small wiring damage can trigger this code. It indicates that there is a fault in the oxygen sensor located in the bank 1 sensor 1 location of the vehicle. Here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0131 error code. Method A. Paste the exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with invisible tailpipe. If you have a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Method B. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rot a leak. First, heat of sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method C. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0131 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. They're also open to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.